the different classification of the signal. So classification of signal is basically categorized in the classification of signal. So basically we do the classification of the signal in two broad aspects, that is called continuous time signal, and second is discrete time signal. Two ways classification of the signal, and further you can just do the classification of this continuous time signal or the discrete time signal in various classification. The first one is deterministic and random signal. Deterministic and random signal. Then periodic and non-periodic signal. Periodic, non-periodic signal. Energy signal, energy and power signal. Then causal and non-causal signal. Causal and non-causal signal. And we have another is even and odd signal. Even and odd signal. So what I mean to say is that basically we classify the signal in two different forms. One is called the continuous time signal or the discrete time signal. Suppose if you have the continuous time signal, that signal can be further classified either in these 5 different signals. Whether your continuous signal can be even signal, it can be odd signal, it can be causal signal, it can be non-causal, it can be periodic, it can be non-periodic. So how do you determine that a signal given to you is periodic signal or non-periodic signal, or whether it is even continuous or odd continuous? Similarly, if you have the discrete time signal, the discrete time signal can be periodic, it can be non-periodic, it can be even signal, it can be odd signal. Now, how do you determine those things, that the signal is even or odd, or whether it is periodic or non-periodic? So we will understand that how we can do the further classification of this continuous time signal or the discrete time signal in these 5 different classifications.